got something new. I'm going to try some of this stoner mold release. Never tried it. We're going to use some of that thick set to get in this stuff because it's a little bit punky on the top. We're going to use some of that Chroma Craft pearlescent powder. Get this at Spiral Craft. Look at this. I've never seen this happen before. On my pour line, it goes all the way in there. It did not fill right there. That's strange. Come here. Check it out. So, I've never used that stoner stuff before. So I sprayed it and then I have to do another pour, but right at the level where it was re-poured, it's not sticking to the wood. So, oh well, we'll go from there. This bowl right here is gonna be sick. I can't wait to put some finish on that bad boy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to see how this sucker's gonna look. Just by putting some of this on there. Let's do it. Oh, that's pretty nice. I'll show you after I do the axe paste and stuff. Leanne just came out here and noticed this line right here. It looks like it's a crack, but it's the witness line. This one's you can't feel it over here. You can feel like a crack right there, and it disappears, and then you can feel it right there where those white things are. I'm not really sure what's going on there, but it looks like a crack. Look at from the side over here. You can see that in there, but it's in there. It's not, and you can't feel it from the other side. That's strange. It looks kind of cool, but oh man, I don't know what that is. Keep spilling that stuff. It's like gold. Alright, I'm just putting on some of this axe paste. We're gonna sand it down and be done with it now. Now it's time for some of the paste. And we're going to hold off on any other kind of finish. I think what we're actually going to finish this with is Howard's Feed and Wax. I like the way that stuff looks on this. It's just another wax that goes on top of it and moisturizes the wood. It'll be nice on here, trust me. Let's get this sucker flipped over. That's spalting. Not the. Don't do this against that.
Don't worry. I don't want a moon pie creation tattoo.
Yes, you do.
I'm okay.